What's up, folks? It's your man Jay, and it is time to give away something. This is the Honor 8. It has been sitting on my desk for so long. It's the red version. It's factory reset back to the regular settings. I personally couldn't figure out how to get the Google Play Store on it, so I just threw in the towel. It's a version without the Google Play Store. So if you're in the U.S., if you're on T-Mobile, you won't get LTE, but it works fine for calls, texts. It's just on Edge. Or something like that, and it works. It works perfectly fine. But I'm not gonna waste time. I'm just gonna go ahead and just tell you, you can enter the contest by tagging me on Twitter and leaving a comment down below why you want the phone, and that'll be your entry. For those people that are gonna tell me I don't have Twitter, well, then I guess you can't tag me on Twitter. Then you got to create an account. This is a social age. I don't really care for social media that much, but this is where we are. So to interact, we can use Twitter. It's a lot easier for me. So you must have a valid shipping address and a real name. I can't send something in the mail through Shoopadoop or Scoop or Lil Bobo. I can't. Those aren't, come on, folks. The post office or FedEx will be like, what is Lil Bobo? So leave a real name when I do contact you if you win. And I will ship you the phone at no cost to you. You just get to enjoy it. So a quick thing here, this is going to be international. So whoever enters this, I'm going to go ahead and ship international now because technically this phone doesn't work LTE in the US, but you can still use it in the US. Another thing, if someone wins and they're in the US, it is absolutely stunning for cameras, man. It's a fast phone. The battery life is good. Everything's about it was good. I just couldn't get the Play Store on it. And, there's no LTE for the US on T-Mobile. Other than that, it's a fantastic phone, folks. So for those people that enter contests that I do for giveaways, I ship the phones off myself, and there's no need to contact me in a week, 2 weeks saying, who did you give the phone to? Who was the winner? Please don't hound me down on other videos asking who the winner is of this video. I will contact those people. When I give away something, for those that have won something from me before, they get it. I don't need to report back, oh my gosh, because I'm just going to put this thing in the generator. It's going to pick a person, and I'm going to contact them through that reply. So hopefully, you're paying attention with your replies, and you're up on your game when it comes to the giveaway, because I'm not going to hound you down. Once I contact you, 24 hours, I'm going to pick somebody else. I got to do it. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed a quick video for the giveaway. I just want to do something nice, man. Share the video, leave a comment why you want it, tag me on Twitter, and you're in. Take care.